One of the most stimulating things you can ever do is have a conversation with a well-thinking person. Sadly, some people have surrounded themselves with empty barrels that make the most noise, so they will never be able to improve themselves. They will never be able to think differently outside the box, think from a different perspective, because you have only surrounded yourself in an echo chamber. You have fit yourself in a box, close the door, and only hear your echoes. Some people are calling it a yes man situation. You surround yourself with nothing but yes men, so you're never able to grow and have new ideas, new train of thoughts, because all you do is have people in your corner, in your surrounding, in your room, in your echo chamber who simply just repeat what you say or agree with every single thing you say. If you do nothing more for yourself, I want you to get at least one person that you can go to, not for anything, not for money, not for anything, just someone you can go to, can call them, text them, whatever it is, and have a good conversation. A good conversation about any and everything. If you can get that person in a relationship, oh my gosh, and someone who can give you a good conversation, a stimulating conversation, that doesn't mean you and this person cannot have fun, cannot joke, cannot have stupid conversations. But the idea is to, instead of surrounding yourself with yes men and yes women, or lock yourself in an echo chamber, it is more beneficial to you to surround yourself with well-thinking individuals, because that will help you to grow. You hear the old saying, show me your friends, I'm going to tell you who it is. Birds of a feather flock together. Trust me, the people you surround yourself with have detrimental effects on you, or those effects can be very advantageous. You decide what you want to do, but choose your circle wisely, choose your friends wisely. Those are just my thoughts for the years. Show that you like, follow, share and comment.